you guys? It's me again, back for another vid, and I'm order a Beyblade X. And hulaan nyo kung ano to guys, bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 seconds. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's go buksan. Kung di nyo nahulaan, ito nga pala ay Wizard Arrow. So let's go. So nabili ko to kay Kenshi, just buy from it. So let's unpack it. Let's go. Unpack it. Here we go. And it's sealed. Yo, it's boxed though. And let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, what the heck? There's a freebie. Yo, freebie. Winder launcher, yo. What the frick? This is Winder launcher of Leon Pro, by the way. And this is the Wizard Arrow. So let's focus first on this Winder launcher. So I give him ripcord from Sword launcher. Yo, what the frick? It's so strong though. If you want a very cheap base, just buy from Kenshi Bas. So I give him a 480 ratchet. So let's go. Give him ratchet from Hellside customization. Here's the Wizard Arrow. Yo, it's so cool, bro. It's so cool though. And let's assemble it. No. Let's parts by parts first. First is gear needle. Ay, needle lang pala guys, sorry. Needle, sharp bits, and 480 ratchet. And Wizard Arrow. So let's assemble it. Yo, what the frick? So loud though. So loud. Oh yo. Sheesh, here it is. And let's try it with ripcord launcher freebies. Yo, sheesh man. So let's test spin it, test battle. So let's go. Let's test spin it on ripcord launcher. So let's go. Yo, what the frick? Yo, so cool though. Yo, so let's test spin it with string launcher. So let's go. Test spin it with string launcher. Yo, sheesh. So maybe I can grab it, but di ko alam kung paano siya i-grab. And so let's have a test battle. Battle it with Hellside. So let's go. Yung combo ko kay Hellside is 580 tapered. Ang ganda ng life after that. Let's second battle with Wise Tiger launcher on Wizard Arrow. Yo, what the frick? The ball. Oh yo, what the heck? So let's random battle it. So let's go. Wait with Grand Sword. Yo, what kind of defense, bro? What kind of defense? by Wizard Arrow. Yo, what the frick? Yo, what kind of defense? Yo, what the frick? It's so loud, by the way. I'm sorry, guys. No, first look. Yo, it's a tie with Unicorn Sting. One go. Shoot. No, I have a mistake. Dapat pala si Wizard Arrow yung inuna ko kasi naka-needle. Sheesh, man. No, it burst. No, why? It burst though. Kinda handsome though. So let's last 5 battle, guys. Last 5 battle. I random pick mag random pick na laban to, guys. So oh, yan, random pick. So let's go. Oh, ano na to? Si Wyvern Gale. So let's go. Camera angle. Defense or defense versus stamina. Actually stamina versus stamina because kasi sinabi ko na defense si Wizard Arrow kasi naka-needle siya. Kaya sinabi ko na defense. Pero grabe yung life after death na. Yo, so last 4 battle. I miss again though. Dapat pala si Wizard Arrow ulit. Go shoot. Yo, what the frick? Kinda balanced though. Last 3 battles. Gear needle versus needle beat. The bay is mint condition though. Yo, which is the best balance? Which is the best? Which is the best life after death? No, gear needle is the best life after death for me right now, but I prefer normal needle. Bottles. Yo, what the heck? Next, last battle with Drawn Sword. Yo, what the frick? That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video, guys, I hope you enjoy and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye. Before we end this video, if you want a Takara Tomy Bay, just buy from Kenshi. Yun ay mint condition base and nagbibigay pa siya ng freebies. Maraming salamat nga pala sa freebies, Kenshi. So shout out sa'yo. Bili na kayo, guys, dito kay Kenshi. So that's all for today's video. And ang owner nga pala ni Wizard Arrow ay si Multi Nanyaraw. I don't know. Hindi ko alam yung pag-broadcast. And dalawa yung Beyblade na gamit niya, si Night Shield and si Wizard Arrow. So that's all for today's. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.